Hi, this is Jimmy George, business consultant, entrepreneur coach, organization development and transformation specialist. I work with entrepreneurs to create enterprises of business excellence. In my consulting career, I came across an unusual area of intervention, that is resolving conflicts, disputes, differences among partners and directors. On one hand, we are talking about business excellence model where leadership driving product excellence, operational excellence, marketing excellence, resulting in financial excellence and sustainability. And on the other hand, we have many enterprises in India not performing well just because the promoters, the partners are not able to get along well. You all know very well the infamous rivalry, the conflict between the Ambani brothers, Reliance brothers many years ago, resulting in the split, the breakup of that very successful enterprise, and today where they are, and it's common knowledge that we all know where it has led the destiny of the two brothers. Then we also have this infamous story published all over between father and son, the Singhania family, the famous Raymond brand, where the conflict, the rivalry, it's not rivalry, in fact, it's the relationship getting completely spoiled between father and son, and it went up to high courts. So what am I trying to tell is that these are all known stories, published stories, but there are so many untold stories amongst Indian family enterprises where they are unable to perform well just because of the differences at a very basic level, differences of opinion, to a higher level of conflicts, disputes, fights, and legal entanglement. Now, my observation is that most of these problems can be resolved through a psychological intervention. But it doesn't happen at that level, and it leads to complications and eventually going to a lawyer, the legal resolution happening, and then the enterprises getting broken apart. There is no need for this, because when I analyze the reasons in my experience, mostly I found they can be listed like this: lack of role clarity amongst partners and directors, what each partner or director should do. There is no role clarity, one person dominating another person, getting confused, all these kinds will happen. This is at a very milder level. Slightly moderate level could be one partner or one brother in the family dominating over the other brother. So the younger brothers or one of the brothers or few brothers, they get suffocated because they are not getting the freedom of operation. So once dominant behavior is coming in the way of the organization's effectiveness and performance. Now, going to a slightly serious level, it's conflicts within the family. Sometimes the spouses spouses interfering in the business matters. Sometimes the second generation is coming and getting into ego clashes and passing comments about somebody and leading to all kinds of unwanted conflicts and fights, rivalries. So this is again relationship oriented. Then there are issues of personality or behavior. For example, in one of the organizations known to me, the senior most partner is very abusive. His behavior is unacceptable. So his abusive behavior is leading to a very bad culture in the organizations where employees are getting demotivated, and because of that there is no stability, and eventually the business enterprise is not doing well. Then I also have come across the conflicts happening between father and son. There is an organization where the father is 60 years old and son is 30 years old, and both are fighting every day. And I had to witness this for a long time, and then I tried to intervene and gave them a couple of solutions, and to some extent I could resolve this. But then there are hard cases. What I'm trying to say is that the conflicts, the differences of opinion amongst partners and directors really affect an enterprise's future. It affects the business performance. Before it reaches a lawyer and the court, you can solve it through psychological interventions. If you are interested to know more about it, please do contact me. It is possible, and if you are serious about making your organization successful in the larger interest, better to opt for a psychological intervention with an open mind, and that will give you solution and long-term success. Thank you.